What's up, you guys? I'm gonna take you guys through a quick little 5-minute stretch routine. You can do this anywhere. All you need is a mat, and if you don't have a mat, that's fine enough as well, all right? So let's find a nice spot to be in. Let's get a nice, good balanced stance, hands to the waist. We're gonna start with just some hip rotations, okay? We're gonna go to our right first. I want you to think as if there's a hula hoop surrounding you, and you're trying to touch every single part of that hula hoop. All the while, your main focus needs to be on your breathing. Deep inhale and exhale. And exhale. Just keep moving nice and light. Keep the head center and the waist moving. Beautiful. Go ahead and switch directions. Focusing on your breathing and just loosening up those hips. Good. If you want to go a little bit wider, feel free. You can heel toe the weight out. You might get a nice little pop at the end. If you're lucky, we got about 13 more seconds here. Good. And from there, bring the feet in, and now we're gonna go bring it up, and we're gonna go up top to some neck rotations. Real important about the neck rotations, notice we're keeping it in the front, thinking about making a U. Chin to chest, ear to shoulder. We don't bring the head all the way back, because that puts a lot of unnecessary tension on that neck/spine area that we wanna avoid. Once again, the main focus is your breathing. Deep inhale and exhale. Couple more breaths. Good. From there, once again, let's keep our stance where it's at. Nice, good shoulder width. We're gonna bring the hands together, and this is gonna be an oblique bend. Bring the hands together. I like to point my fingers up at the top, and let's go to the right side first. You're gonna hinge all the way as far as you can. Some people might be able to go further. That's okay. The goal is to feel that stretch in that side pocket right in there, nice and steady. Go ahead and relax your head next to that bicep. A couple more breaths. And come on back to center. Deep inhale, and as we exhale, fall to that other side. Good. Deep inhale and exhale. For added stretch, think about pulling that arm across the body, but don't forget to breathe. 5 more seconds. And let's go back to center one more time. And exhale. Let's go a little bit further. Breathe, 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 breathe. Couple more breaths. Beautiful, back to center. And opposite side. Beautiful. Couple more breaths. And back to center. Go ahead, bring the hands down, shake it out. Beautiful. Let's take a seat. We're gonna do a couple floor stretches. First floor stretch is gonna be the butterfly stretch. When you're doing the butterfly stretch, your main focus should be trying to get those knees to the ground. Think about flapping your wings. Once your knees are down, then with posture and balance, you wanna lean in with the chest. Don't round the back. Deep inhale. And as you exhale, lean forward. Real nice and steady. If you can, go ahead and reach forward as well. We're gonna hold this for about 15 more seconds. Good. Every exhale, try and reach a little bit further. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come on up. Very nice. Let's spread the legs out as wide as you can. If you can split, even better. Go about as wide as you can. Give yourself a nice little massage if you need it. Otherwise, deep inhale. And exhale. I want you to, same as we did with the butterfly stretch, reach those hands out as far as you can. If you can, you'll keep going. Point those toes to the ceiling. Deep inhale and exhale. Focus on that breathing. Good. We're gonna hold for about 10 more seconds. Good. If you can, get that chest down there as far as you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, and and 1. Slowly start walking and back up. Hands underneath the knees. You're gonna pick the legs up. Beautiful, just like that. Hands to the side and just rock them side to side. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Go ahead and stand on up. Lastly, can't neglect the ankles. They take a lot of impact, and without them we wouldn't be able to move. So let's just get a couple rotations, about 10 times each direction. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good work today, guys. Awesome, awesome stretching. See you guys on the next work.